So I've heard some people asking about how to embed a graphic in your CTLS announcements or class board, and the only way I can think to explain it is to show a video. So here you go. So this is a link to a thing link, or this is a thing link that I created, and for most things like this you can click share to get a link to it, and I would normally send people this right here, which is the share link, but you can also get an embed link for this as well as lots of other things that you might want to embed in your announcements or class board. So I'm just going to copy the code here for this embed code, and then I'm already logged into CTLS and I can go down. I'm actually going to put it in an announcement. So to add an announcement, you guys know you click plus, and then here I'm going to give it a title and then make it so it shows up. And then here, to do the embed code, you have to press these three buttons right here, for the more miscellaneous, and when you press that, you'll get the sort of the less than and greater than sign for the code view, and that's where you can go in and paste the embed code. And then you want to click off of that so it goes back to sort of a regular view that's not the code view, and then you can click add announcement from there. And then it should show up here as an announcement for, and the image is clickable and all the links in it and work and things like that. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.